probably no better place to begin this rather personal tribute to the Queen than here at Balmoral. The castle was built for Queen Victoria, the only previous monarch to celebrate a Diamond Jubilee in our long history. So many wonderful things have been said about my mamma this year, but with the aid of cinefilms and photographs that she and my father took of my sister and me as children, I just wanted to take this opportunity to reflect on some private as well as public moments of her memorable reign.